Good morning from the Golden Nugget in Las Vegas. If you are watching, we are doing some Lightning Link Live, and we just hit one of the bonus features. Alright, we want to get as many of the orbs as possible. So on this game, when you get one of these orbs, your spins go back up to 3. Awesome. Send some of your luck our way. 3 spins left. Alright, so this means we have one more spin to make something happen. Alright, that was a nice little bonus. Let us know in the captions and comments what you want us to bet. Right now we're doing $1 hits. We also want 3 of those volcanoes. We'll bump it up. We'll do some 250. So right now we're playing Tiki Fire. Tiki Fire is one of the Lightning Link games. And the cool thing about Tiki Fire is you really want to get these tikis right here. Those are going to be your live symbols. And if you've been watching with us during the free games, those can also be multipliers. If you're like me, you held your breath, we want 6 of these right here. Those will give us another bonus. That miner right now is $50. Ooh! That was an $18 win off of a $250 bet. So these did some really good things for us with this little butterfly. If anybody watching this knows what this little flower is called, feel free to let us know. We did it! We got the bonus. All right, send your luck. Here's our multiplier. We're gonna need 3 more volcanoes to re-trigger. When I say re-trigger, that means we'll get additional bonus games. You can get the bonus within the bonus, so we also want our fire orbs. One more. Well, I'm worried too. Oops, we have to be careful. So far, I think that butterfly has been our best icon. We've lined that up a couple times. That's a very good fireball. Come on, Tiki Fire. Alright, let us know in the comments if you think we should bump it up to 5. Ooh! We did it! This is where you wish you bumped it up to 5. But that's okay, 250 is gonna be great. Alright, send your good luck. Alright, we have one more spin. We need to land one of the fireballs. We didn't make it happen, but that's a $50 fireball. It's always a good sign when the machine is spitting coins at you. Thank you, Tiki Fire. So, we're doing pretty good right now. We started off playing this game with $100 and we're up to $199. We'll bump it up to $5 until we hit $150 and then we'll play some Sahara Gold. Our friend the butterfly's back. Volcano! If we had one more of the volcano, we would have went into free spins. And again, we're looking for 6.
Doing something with the dollar.
Got some parrots. All right, so we have about 3 more spins on $5. Almost, we were halfway there. When you are playing the slots, do you touch the screen for good luck? That's something that I've found that I do. All right, this is gonna be our last spin if we don't make any money back. Ooh, we eked it out for one more. Last spin on $5. Okay, so now we're gonna move over to Sahara Gold. While we're making this switch, feel free to let us know what games you like best. All right, and we're gonna put $175 in here. We're gonna continue on Sahara Gold with our 1-cent denomination. And we'll start this off at, how about $1.50? Okay, so in this game, our wild symbols are going to be right here, and then we're looking for 3 of these palaces. Let us know in the comments, like we should head up to $2.50 or $5. So just like in Tiki Fire, we are going to be looking for 6 of those circles. Halfway there. Unfortunately, when they hit in that first reel, it kind of blocks what we're trying to do. We almost had it. All right, so judging by how this is going and what people are saying, we're gonna bump it up to $2.50 to kind of change what's going on. If you've ever played Sahara Gold, let us know in the comments how much luck you've had, or if you prefer something else. Got some wilds in there. So out of 175, we're currently at 140. We're really looking for 6 of those coins. We did it! All right, Facebook family, send your good luck. We are entering the bonus round free spins. Send us all of your good luck. All right, now in the comments, I need to know if you want me to pick left or if you want me to pick right. So we're gonna pick one of these chests. We're feeling left. All right, we're gonna do left. Ooh, 200 free spaces. Okay, Facebook family. Very nice. It's counting up our money. We like when that happens. Spin number 2. Come on, wilds. Yes. So in this game, when you pick the chest, you're picking how many free games and how many wilds. 200 wilds, which you'll see right here, that's a very good selection. Yes, look at those scorpions. Another tip when you're playing this game, if up above you see the fireworks happening, that means your spin was very good. So far on a $2.50 bet, we've made over $33 and still counting. I'm of the opinion not to rush your bonuses. When you're playing, do you press the play button to make it spin again, or do you let it count up all of your bounty? We just went over $60. So on this, we lined up the scorpions and we also lined up the queens. So on this one alone, it was $54.50. Total bonus win thus far, $75. Fourth spin. Number 5. And last spin. All right, not bad. Everyone picked well with the left. So we're back in it. Are we feeling $5? Okay, let's do it. Orbs, we did it! Okay, so this is super exciting. We hit for the minor, which is $50, and we also have 2 minis, which is going to be $10. Then we also hit for some really good coins. All right, everybody, send your good luck. Come on, big numbers. Okay, so we landed this one, and this means we go back up to 3 spins. All right, 2 spins. Send us that good luck. All right. If we collect all 15, we win that grand jackpot, and that is close to $12,000. All right, 2 spins remaining. All right, all your luck. 1 spin left. Land it. We didn't land it, but it's okay. All right, $210. Not bad, not bad. All right, so we start with 175. We're up to 422. Let's keep playing. If you're just joining us, we are playing some Lightning Link from the Golden Nugget in Las Vegas, Nevada. We just hit a couple really good bonuses, and we're hoping to keep that good luck going. Let us know in the comments, when is your next trip to Las Vegas, and what game do you like to play at the Golden Nugget? All right, so we had 4 out of the 6. We needed 1 more of those houses, palaces, whatever they're called. Let us know in the comments if you know the official term. Again, these camels, those are going to be our wilds. We did it! All right, send us your good luck. All right, we gotta land something. 1 spin remaining. All right, awesome. So that $5 right here, that brought us back up to 3 spins. We hit another mini. All right. Let's see if we can get a major. Not bad, not bad. Another mini. So on this so far, we have 3 mini bonuses. The mini is currently $10, so we automatically have that 30 plus everything else on the board. This is a really good one. All right, it's over. Let's count it up. Okay, so on that one, for the $5 bet, we hit the bonus feature and we collected $105. So we're back up to $451. Again, in this machine, we started with $175. We'll play it down a little bit longer and see what else happens. We want 3 of those. And again, we're playing Sahara Gold. It's teasing us with 2 of those. So our camels lined up those dancing ladies. They gave us $7.50. So Lightning Link is a very popular game. They also come in different themes like Happy Lantern, Heartthrob, and then you saw us earlier playing Tiki Fire. I think once we hit 300, we'll cash out. All right. Actually, we'll switch it up a little bit because I see some people doing some things. We're going to go to let's do 2 cents. And we're going to do max bet again. So right now we're at 359. We're doing $10 spins. We really would love 3 of those palaces. Coins. All right, send us your good luck. We're at 300 right now. Since we upped the denomination, we'll see what we can do with another 100. So we're going to do 10 spins. Oh, 5 of a kind. Again, we're going to $200. And you'll see, since we changed the denomination, we are now playing for $20 in the mini, $100 in the minor. The major is still $619, and the grand remains close to $12,000. All right, we're going to leave this up to our Facebook audience. Facebook family, let us know if you think we should go for it. We currently have $210, so we can either spin one more time or go bonus or bust. What do you think? Brett is saying use the rest of it. Okay. Randy's telling us to go for it. All right. Ooh. Okay, so we have one for one more. Let us know. Go for it. Go big or go home. Yes, Jordan. All right. We also got a bonus. Do it. All right, guys. We're going for it. Ready? We're going to really hope for that bonus in this round. Again, we're looking for 3 palaces or 6 of our orbs. I think Tiki Fire was a little nicer to us, but that's okay. All right, send us your good luck. We're currently at $132. Dancing ladies. I would also settle for a full screen of our Camel Wilds. Good luck. Come on, Lightning Link. All right, we're at $86. That means we have 8 spins left, Facebook family. All right, we lined up some camels there. Yes. Oh, we were 1 away. All right, we're at 82. You really want to hear that coin sound drop in. Thought we had it. Thought we had it. All right, we're at 43, so we're going to do 4 spins. 1. Ooh! Scorpion Power. Scorpion Power looked good, was not that good. 2. All right, 3. 4. We gotta line something up here. Oh. Okay. Do we want to press the bolt or do lower denomination and whatever happens, happens? Let us know. Oh, press in. Are we gonna press the bolt? Don't worry, Kim. We're gonna try something new next time. All right. Jeremy's saying the bolt. Yes, do it. Okay, Brett, don't gotta tell me twice. Pressing the bolts. We did it! Excitement. Okay, well, we are all out of money for this one. So this is something new that we're trying. If you want to see any games played at the Golden Nugget in Las Vegas, let us know in the comments. We're thinking about possibly doing Hot Stuff Wicked Wheel. We can also pretty much do anything else, maybe some Wonka or some 777. I know a lot of people like Buffalo. So let us know how you feel in the comments, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.